It is Texas, 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 and oh, by the way, Texas, because we're going to be looking at a lot of rain. We take you live to Houston today. Good news for Houston. You've been in the heavy rain over the last couple of days. You're going to get a little break. The heavy rain, not so much today, but Friday into the upcoming weekend, this is the area that we're going to have the huge impacts here. You could see the risk to lives and property. We have a high risk of that San Antonio, Del Rio toward Laredo. What are we worried about? Flooding. There is going to be flooding in this area, rapid rises on streams and creeks. There's going to be washouts, and I'm afraid we're going to be looking at road closures as well. We already have some flooding problems a little farther east. Flash flood warnings, that's those blinking green boxes northeast Texas and around the Little Rock area. Flash flood watches out Monroe, Shreveport, up toward Little Rock. Why? M&M, mischief and mayhem with this upper level low that is now lifting just south of Little Rock. There's the heavy rain in Little Rock right now. Also showers, thunderstorms, northern parts of Louisiana, and already a band of thunderstorms that we're looking at moving into the western parts of Oklahoma. Everything continues to lift to the north and east on future radar. One thing I want to point out, some heavy rain, Little Rock, Shreveport, Monroe, but notice East Texas, only spotty thunderstorms here from noon till about 4 or 5 o'clock or so. So East Texas, Central Texas, you're on a break. At least for today. Watch those thunderstorms late today. Boy, Oklahoma City toward Wichita Falls. But notice temperatures once again on the high end from San Angelo 97, Lubbock 87, Dallas toward Houston. It's only going to be spotty thunderstorms as we go through today. And again, there's going to be some locally heavy rain with this, but the rain is not going to be concentrated, Christina. That is going to be more as we head toward the weekend.
This weekend's going to be a nightmare. I just have to say it for places like San Antonio. Look what happens Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Storms and soaking rain, rounds of it, in fact. Let me show you here. I'm just going to let the clock play out on future rainfall, and you'll see those rounds of rain coming across the map. Look at the bullseye in South Texas, right across the Rio Grande Valley into San Antonio, and even out toward McAllen and Laredo. You have a terrible weekend in store, I'm sorry to say, but you have to be safe. Be prepared for flash flooding. We could see 8 to 12 inches of rain in San Antonio through Sunday. San Angelo, Abilene, 4 to 8 inches of rain possible. In Lubbock, you're looking at about 2 to 4 when we come down to Sunday. Make sure, again, you are prepared for flooding and flash flooding on a bit of a wider scale. Now, on Friday, we also have the potential for some severe weather looking into the Rio Grande Valley. Again, from Laredo to Del Rio, the orange bullseye is your moderate risk for more numerous storms with large hail and damaging gusty winds. Odessa, Abilene, San Angelo, you could see some spotty severe weather too. We'll guide you through the storms here.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out these other videos here and be sure to subscribe for new content and the latest weather news from AccuWeather.